Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any updates. So, once again, click on that subscribe button. So, once I drop an update instantly, you would get the update and you will not miss out on it. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on our GBPUSD. So let's start with our trend on our GBPUSD. So clearly we can see the overall bigger picture if you have to zoom it out properly so that this is trending downward, right? No problem. But since we want to predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to look at our current trend and what market is currently doing. As we can see, we are currently trending to the upside. So this is our first impulsive move, which is the high. Then here comes the higher low. This is also the impulsive move, which is the higher high. And here comes the higher low. This is also our impulsive move, higher high, and market is currently forming an higher low. So within this Monday, we should be expecting another market to push up, thereby giving us a new higher high for the week. So let's sit on this for our time frame. This is a major rejection level, which you might call as our support level. So let market come down a little bit, then we will look for our buy setup around here, or you can now see another bullish move. So for the day, we will be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this, I'll make sure I let you guys to know about the changes. So subscribe so you will not miss out on that update.